Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, another shop mustache. What the heck? Yeah, we're gonna go through the products, what I used last week and what I thought of them, pick new products to use this week. And yeah, if you like shop mustache videos, then definitely continue watching. I'm a little different today, huh? But yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. I'm excited because it's Thursday and I have a 4-day weekend. We don't go back to work till Tuesday. I just feel like I needed a break from work, relax, sleep in. Yeah, I'm excited to pick new products to use, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first product I have here is this Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation. I have mine in the shade 116. This is light medium. And I really like this foundation. It looks really nice. I do find that it's more of like a medium to full coverage foundation. One day my skin looks super nice and like airbrushed, and then like today my skin didn't look very good. So I don't know. I need to find a good way to use this foundation, like a good primer as well. But overall, I do like it. I think the color is good too. I don't feel like it oxidizes, but I do feel like it changes color. Like the color that you get when you first pump it, it's not the color that it's going to dry down to. But still, you know, oxidization to me is more when it changes throughout the day. But when it's like drying down a different shade when you're applying it or setting it, I don't feel like that's oxidizing. That's more of like, that's like the true shade, you know what I mean? So we're going to put this away and pick something new. I also did use this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist that I love, but we're going to put this away as well. I hope you guys like this like new setup. I'm going to try to show you guys what's in here instead of like putting it down and showing you guys the products. So the first product I have here is this Milani Highly Rated Mascara. I feel like this is drying out because it's starting to get a little thick, and I'm starting to notice some like flakes on my face too. So I am going to declutter this. I feel like this didn't last very long. Didn't use it for very long, but I feel like it's just kind of drying out on me, or that it dried out on me. And the wand is kind of bigger than what I like. I don't think I would repurchase this, but I am going to declutter this just because, again, it's flaking on me and that ain't cute. I did use this ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Serafina today. It's just like a vampy red. We are going to put this away. I didn't use Chocolate Wasted by Dose of Colors, so we'll leave that in there. I did use both of my liners by LA Girl in Fresh and Pop. We're going to put those away. For brows, I had these. So I don't like this color on me. This is chocolate, but I am going to leave it in because I am almost done. I thought about just getting rid of it because there's not that much, but honestly, like I used all of it besides this little amount that's left. So I might just finish it off. So I'm going to leave that in there, but I am going to put the brow definer away. I'm also going to put away the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I like that to kind of add more like fibers to my lashes. I love this Benefit roller eyeliner. We're going to put that away as well. For primer, this week I used the CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer. This is like glue for your eyeshadows, so if you guys need something like that, pick this up. I did find that it was a little hard to blend like matte shadows in my crease and stuff if I didn't set it, because I felt like it kind of like stuck to where I applied my brush, and then when I was trying to blend it I was skipping. So I would recommend setting it before you apply like an actual like shade in your crease. But if you just want to pack stuff to your lid and make sure it's going to stay, like, you can pick this up. I should try this with glitter to see if it'll work and stay with that. I also did use this Buxom full-on lip cream in the shade Hot Toddy. This smells delicious, and it also kind of tingled a little bit on my lips, but again, we're going to put that away, and that'll be it from in here. Oh, this actually goes on this side. In here, I had 2 concealers, you guys. My concealer was not on flake this week, you guys. This Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer, I have mine in medium nude. This is no bueno. If you like full coverage concealers, this isn't going to work for you at all. My dark circles were on fleek, and if I sound a little weird, it's because I'm being sick. I'm like at the ends of being sick, but my dark circles weren't cute. So what I was doing a lot was using my Tarte Shape Tape because it's in my project pan. I don't know why I bought this. I got this from Marshall's. I can't use that on my under eyes. And then this is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. This is too light for me. I have mine in the shade number 2. I did think about offering it to a friend that's lighter complexion, but I'm going to try it out to like cut my crease first because it is way lighter, and go from there and see if I want to get rid of it or not. This is the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I have mine in translucent. I like this powder. Like when I first apply it, the first few hours, my skin looks really nice. But then like throughout the day, I feel like it doesn't make my foundation or anything last super long. So I don't know, it's okay. I do like it for the first few hours, but I don't feel like it's like makes my liquid foundation like long lasting. This is the Milani Sun Silky Matte in Sun Kissed. I really like this. This is more of a cool tone bronzer. I do like that, super pigmented. I did the mistake that I didn't think it was that pigmented, and I really swirled my bronzer brush in here, and there was so much product. I had to use my powder brush to kind of get rid of some of it on my face. And for primer, I had this one by Miura. This is the Invisiblur Perfecting Shield. And then I also did have this Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur. This one definitely blurs. This one also blurs my skin as well. I definitely want to leave this in because I don't really want to put it back in my collection. Like there's not that much left in here, or there wasn't that much to begin with either way. So I am going to leave that in there. I'm going to try to finish that up in the next week or so. I did use this a few times. I did like it, but I think I want to leave it in more as well. And then the last thing in this part is this Maybelline Dream Urban Full Coverage Protective Makeup Foundation. And this is in Warm Nude. This shade's kind of dark for me. This is the shade I am in the Maybelline Fit Me, but this shade is darker. So I don't know. I didn't love it because I felt like the shade was a little too dark for me. But it might be good to mix with like my lighter complexion, my lighter foundations. So I'll definitely keep this around. Move my camera down so you guys can see inside these drawers. Whoa, I don't know if this is safe. Let me take these out. So this is the ColourPop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. I did use those shades. This shade is kind of dry for ColourPop. I was super surprised because I had to use a lot of product to be able to see it on my lids, but overall I do like the color scheme. I got this from Boxycharm like months and months ago when we all got like ColourPop palettes, and this is the first time I've used it. And then this is the MAC Flamboyant eyeshadow palette, and I actually really liked this palette. I used all of these and that shade, the mattes pretty much, and I did use that on my lid one day. Thought it was pretty pigmented for MAC. Like I was super surprised how much I actually like this for everyday use. I do like it. This was gifted to me by my friend Jasmine, and I like it. So we are going to put that away. This Benefit Cookie highlighter is so pigmented. Oh my gosh, it's so good though. I really like it. I kind of think I want to throw all that stuff away because I never use it. But look how pigmented this is. It's really, really nice. I have two Cover FX blushes. I kind of don't want to put these away because I feel like I didn't use them enough. Like I did use them, but like I didn't. I don't know if that makes any sense. But these two are Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duos. This one's in Soft Peach. I really like it. It's like a really wearable shade, but it is like really pigmented. And then this one is in Spiced Cinnamon. This one's so pigmented, and it's super like dark compared to like this one, but I kind of want to leave them in another week just to kind of use them. You know, they were expensive, so I want to use them. This I only used once, which again I also want to leave in. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Fruit Punch. This is super pigmented as well. It was really nice, so I'm gonna leave all my blushes in. This is the Glam Glow palette, Glow Powder. And you get 3 different shades, and actually I really like this. It looked really nice and natural and really pretty. I'm going to leave this in as well because I feel like I didn't use that enough. I used it probably 2 times, but both times that I used it I did like, and I haven't used this, you guys, so I guess that can stay in here too. And then the stuff that's down here is in Project Pan items or future chopping block videos that you guys will see next week. So we are ready to go ahead and shut my stash. So I am filming kind of at night, so I do have my like soft boxes on, and there's like a glare right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick something. I'm gonna take this Catrice Mattifying Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray to use this week, and I actually am going to take a combo that one of my friends here on YouTube, Jasmine Huerta, she started doing Shop My Stash videos again. So if you guys have not checked out her channel, definitely check her out. I'm going to take a combination that she said was bomb.com. So she took this Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I have mine in the shade MW2. I haven't used this in a minute, so I really liked this. And it has SPF 22, so that's good. Did I finish talking about my friend? Well, she started doing Shop My Stash videos again, so definitely go show her some love. Tell her that Mariela sent you. Definitely subscribe to her channel. If you haven't checked her out, definitely check her out. She's doing these Shop My Stash weeklies as well, so... I was saying she took that, and then for primer, she took this Touch and Soul primer. No Problem Prime Essence. She says that this combo is bombski, so we are going to use that. In here is concealer. You know what? That Benefit probably will go good with this, but it kind of looks like I have jaundice with this. Like, it doesn't look that yellow right here. You know what? I should try it because I haven't tried this again after like during the summertime, and I had gotten a little darker, so this oxidizes a little bit. Can you see? It's like way yellow compared to the container. It's super yellow. So I think I'm gonna try this concealer out. And then for mascara, I'm going to take the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I got this during the springtime, the 21 Days of Beauty steals. And it's alright. Like, I feel like the one's a little too big for my liking. I bought two, so I might like put one in a giveaway because it's alright mascara. It's not like my favorite or anything. And then I do need a brow product. Oh, you know what? I'm going to take this one. This is the Rimmel Brow Stylist Definer. And this is in brunette. Hopefully this shade works for me. I'm finding that brunette's starting to be a little too warm. I used to like warm brows for my eyebrows with my red hair, but now I don't really like warm brows. So, oh, we need an eyeshadow primer. Maybe we can take this one. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in white. So this maybe will leave my lashes more vibrant. So we'll take this as well. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got from Boxycharm, because I wasn't going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. But we're going to go ahead and do a Boxycharm unboxing here, and we can use some of the products we got. So first thing we got, or I got, was this Moda Pro Royal Lange Nickel Deluxe Eye Kit, which they look pretty nice. I'm not going to use those. Next up, I got this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This sounds nice. I also did get this Violet Voss Essential Pro eyeshadow palette. And here's what the inside looks like. I think I'm going to take this for this week for sure. So we can take one of these, but I definitely want to use a different palette that we'll be picking for my collection as well. And then the last two things I got in my Boxycharm was this Hank & Henry Slick With It Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in Blickety Black. I honestly thought it was going to be brown because everybody I've been watching like unbox the box, like this is brown and even the tip is brown, so I thought it was like dark brown, but I guess it's black. And then this is a brow product. This is the $1 Billion Brows Microblade Effect Brow Pen, and I did get mine in dark, so I hope it works out for me. I'm horrible at brows, but definitely going to try these two products out as well. And that is all I got in my Boxycharm this month. Did you guys get different items in your box? Let me know down in the comments section below. So I am going to need a powder, but I don't remember if she showed, my friend Jasmine showed what she used for powder. You know what? I'm going to use this. Juicy Jazz raves about this product, and she raves about it for a reason. This is super nice. This is the Collab Set the Stage Ultrafine Loose Setting Powder. Definitely going to use this. It's super, super nice. You can pick up collab products from Sally Beauty. This makes your foundation look airbrushed and super pretty. Definitely taking this. Next up is bronzer. Do we have any bronzer? Nope. So for bronzer, let me put this other one away from last week. I haven't used this in a minute. Let's use this. This is the Becca Gradient Sunlit Bronzer in Sunrise Waves. I picked this up because Kathleen Lights makes me buy a lot of stuff, you guys. But she loves this product. It's like a glowy type of bronzer. So we're going to take this. Next up is blush. We definitely don't need any blush. So I went through my Lippy collection and I decluttered a lot. I don't know if you guys can even tell because I don't really show you guys my lip drawer a lot, but I feel like I did pretty well. I'll post a picture of everything I got rid of, but I swatched everything that was in here, especially like the liquid lipsticks and the lip glosses I had, and got rid of so much more. Like I felt like these were like up higher, but who knows, it may just be me. So again, I am kind of arranging from like vampy reds and oranges, like nudes, and then like nude everyday lipsticks are over there. And I don't know if you guys can tell, I rarely show my lipstick drawer because I always am picking stuff from like actual like new makeup drawer. But I did bring over my Kylie liquid lipsticks. I used to keep them in their box when I like how I got them, but I want to use these. Oh, and I had the Coco collection by Kylie Cosmetics as well. So I want to use this one in collab with Chloe in Gorge. This is super pretty. It's like a raspberry type of color. And then I don't know. Let's see what this color is. Hold On to Summer, I guess. So we'll take both of these lippies, but then again, I also have Chocolate Wasted. So we'll just take these. Oh, and I also want to use this one. This is the Palladio times Casey Holmes in Rescue. And I saw this when I was going through all of my lippies. I was like, oh my god, I haven't used this in forever, so I want to use this as well. And then I have one more thing I want to use, which is an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a declutter maybe next week for sure, because I want to get rid of a lot of stuff that I don't use. So my palette drawer doesn't even look nice anymore. Let me move you guys down a little bit so you guys can enjoy the palettes while I pick. But definitely a lot of these in here are going, but I want to use this palette right here. I haven't used it in a while. Revolution and Emily Noel, the Wants palette. And I've seen a couple people pick this palette for their Shop My Stash, and I was like, ooh, I want to use that. I haven't used it in a minute. I love the color scheme in here. I love the purples and the raspberry type of colors in here, the greens. So we're going to take this for eyeshadow this week, and then I also have that palette from the Boxycharm as well. Oh, I did pick this blush. I was debating last month, but I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and pick it. This is the only thing I got from the new makeup drawer in Juvia's Place Serafina blush. So we're adding another blush to that drawer. And this palette, of course, isn't, I don't think it's going to fit. Let's see. Ooh, shoot, look at that. Oh yeah. So these are all the products I'm going to be taking for this week. I actually kind of want to keep this in so I can keep testing it out and just keep trying it. You know, this is newer to my collection. I did try it probably 3 times this past week, so I kind of definitely want to use it more and make sure I want to keep it in my collection. So far, I do like it. It is more on the high, medium, full coverage side for everyday use for my liking, but I do want to keep on using that again. So we are going to put this up here as well. So those are all the products I'm going to be taking in this week's Shop My Stash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!